Hello friends, welcome back again in Excel Automation Tool. So in this tutorial we are going to show how we can search any data by search criteria wise. Previously we have done how to you can add information into the Excel sheet. Also after completing all the information, then how can you show the data into the list box. So if you miss this tutorial, please see this tutorial first, then you can understand this tutorial properly. So now we are going to show how we can criteria wise search any data. Okay, and I am going to show that is form, and that is, you can see this is our search criteria, and this field name is search combo box 1, and this is the search text box 1, and this is calendar 2, and also this is a search text box 2, and this is calendar 3, and the last thing is search. So this button name is search button. So as usual, you need to remember all the button and you can rename. So now when we open this, then you can see that there is name, but there is show the start date, end date, but this is not the proper case. You need to show this like when you select the date, then only show the date, start date and end date, and after the name or department or anything, then only show the first criteria wise. So we need to customize this, and we need to double click there, as this is the search combo box 1, and I am going to double click there, and this is the search combo box change. That means this should be there, and we need to mention this search criteria. Okay, that means when you select this type of any criteria, then this input field will be as per wise change, and there we just mention this. So I just mentioned this, when the search combo box value is date, then as per this date wise this setup will be show, and when the other value will be input, then this is should be false, and when the search criteria is not date, then the button will be show there. So there is. Okay, now check again. So there is when you select the date criteria, then start date will be show there, and there is, you can see search criteria text box 1 and search text box 2 show there, and there is also the calendar button show there, and also there is, you can see the search button. But when you select the another criteria, then you can see all our calendar icon will be hide, and also the text search text box 2 will be hide, and move the search button. So now we are going to make the enable the search button, like when you select the search criteria wise and input the search value, then when you click the search button, then as per this criteria wise data will be show there. Okay, so there is, you can see this is search button and their name is search button. Double click there and cut this, and you can place it here. So now we are going to making a function like value wise search click. Okay, copy this. Okay, this is the value as search click, and when the button will be click, and when the button click, then this function will be called. Okay, now we need to write there So now if you want to explain this code, so there is, you can see, if the search combo box is blank, then this will be exit sub, and also if you want to see the search text box is visible, but if the text box is blank, then there is also the error. And you can see there is a search text box visible, but search text box is also dead. Then if the search text box is blank, then also the need to input the value, and the search text box 1 cannot be bigger than the search text box 2. So that's why we are using this validation for search any data. When all our criteria will be met, then the search list box 1 fill list, and after the search set focus will be the visible wise. That means okay, now need to check, and you open the form, and there is, you can see, this is our criteria. I am just selecting the name, and there is search value. I'm just importing the test. There is, we have seen there are two raw. This name is test and test, and when you search this, then you can see the search criteria is working properly. And as per date wise, when you select a date, then you can select this 4 November to 4th November. Then you click the search, then this data will be shown. And that's all for the search button. And this is our downloadable platform. You can download it at any time. And also you can buy me coffee if you like this tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe our channel for more interesting automation tutorials. That's all, and thanks to all. See you in the next tutorial.